Hi, I'm Dr. Craig Sanford, and in this video we'll be talking about neurofeedback and how it can affect you in a very positive way. Neurofeedback has been around for about 30 to 40 years now, and it's very much related to biofeedback. However, neurofeedback has been using computers to increase the utilization and the positive effects that it has on individual symptomatology. Those symptomatologies can be ADD, ADHD, Asperger's disease, autism, depression, anxiety, as well as post-traumatic stress syndrome and post-traumatic concussion. But before we can understand how neurofeedback can help you, we have to understand exactly how the brain works. So the brain produces approximately 4 different types of brain wave frequencies. That would be delta, theta, alpha, and beta. Beta has low, mild, and high areas that we have to work with. So when we look at the brain waves, delta is the sleep state. We need to produce that so the body can rehabilitate itself during the night. Theta is the state or frequency state between sleep and awake, or it can also be considered the dream state. Alpha is the state when we're doing things that were basically pre-programmed into the brain during the day. So when you're driving, you're really not thinking, you're just doing, and that would be an alpha state. And then beta is when you're active throughout the day, utilizing high end of brain wave thinking and participating in society. When we get up into the higher levels of beta, that can be associated with stress and anxiety, and people can actually become stuck in those states. As well as when we look at theta, theta can be related back to some forms of depression as well as ADD, because it is in a form of a dream state and the brain is not being active and moving comfortably throughout the brain states. So now that we know that we have 4 different types of brain frequency states, you know that during the day you have to be able to flow easily in and out of those states in order to have a normal and productive life. That's why in many ways we will say that you have a stuck brain, meaning that you may be stuck in only one of the brain states, which would usually be theta or beta. So how can neurofeedback help you? Well, neurofeedback is a technology that can be utilized in order to help retrain the brain or rebalance the brain by placing tiny electrodes on the brain and sending a small frequency in that helps to rebalance the brain. And over time, we can have the brain reset itself and become more productive. This is a fantastic technology that has helped many, many people and has shown great success in clinical practice. I urge you to look further into neurofeedback in order to help you and your loved ones enjoy a better and more productive life. I'm Dr. Craig Sanford, and thank you for watching.